Hansel and Gretel. The quest to save the world? Once upon a time, in a small village near a deep, enchanted forest, lived a brave brother and sister named Hansel and Gretel. They were known for their cleverness, kindness, and love for adventure. But one day, their greatest adventure yet began when the sky turned dark, the river stopped flowing, and the flowers began to wither. Something was terribly wrong in the world. Chapter 1. The Mysterious Message. One evening, as Hansel and Gretel sat by the fire, a strong wind blew through their window, carrying a golden leaf with magical writing. Gretel held it up, and to their amazement, the words began to glow. Dear Hansel and Gretel, the forest is in great danger. The Wicked Witch of Shadows has stolen the heart of nature, a magical gem that keeps the world alive. If you do not stop her, everything will fade away. Follow the path of glowing mushrooms to find the hidden portal. Hurry! Time is running out! Without hesitation, the siblings packed some bread, a lantern, and their courage before heading into the dark forest. Chapter 2. The Forest of Secrets. As they followed the trail of glowing mushrooms, they encountered talking animals who warned them of the witch's dark magic. A wise old owl hooted, "To reach the portal, you must solve the riddle of the river." The river whispered a riddle. "I grow when I eat, but I die when I drink. What am I?" Hansel thought for a moment and then smiled. "A fire," he answered confidently. The river sparkled and split in two, revealing a hidden stone bridge. They quickly crossed it and arrived at the portala's shimmering blue doorway hidden beneath a giant tree. Chapter 3. The Witch's Dark Castle. The portal transported them to the Witch of Shadows castle, where storm clouds swirled and thorny vines blocked their way. But Gretel, remembering an old spell she had read in a fairy tale, whispered, "Light defeats darkness." Instantly, their lantern glowed brighter, burning away the vines. They rushed into the castle and found the witch standing before a floating, glowing green gem, the heart of nature. "You cannot stop me!" The witch cackled, summoning shadowy creatures to chase them. Hansel and Gretel knew they had to act fast. Gretel used her lantern's magic to shine light on the creatures, turning them to dust, while Hansel quickly grabbed the gem from the witch's hands. "No!" the witch shrieked as the castle began to crumble. The siblings ran back to the portal just in time, escaping as the dark castle vanished into nothingness. Chapter 4. The world is saved. The moment they returned to their village, the sky turned blue again. The river sparkled and flowers bloomed all around them. The heart of nature floated into the air and returned to its rightful place in the center of the forest. The wise old owl flew down and smiled. "You have saved the world, Hansel and Gretel. Because of your bravery and wisdom, life can continue to thrive." The villagers cheered and celebrated their return. From that day on, Hansel and Gretel were known not just as clever children, but as the guardians of nature, ready to protect the world whenever danger arose. And so, their adventure ended until the next time the world needed heroes. The end.